Hello dear fans. How to find the perimeter of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrangle with two parallel and two non-parallel sides. To calculate its perimeter, you need to know the dimensions of all sides of the trapezoid. At the same time, the data in the tasks may be different. Necessary: calculator, tables of sines, cosines, and tangents, paper, drawing accessories. Instructions. Step 1. The simplest variant of the problem is when all sides of the trapezoid are given. In this case, you just need to fold them. You can use the following formula: P equals A plus B plus C plus D, where P is the perimeter and A, B, C, and D represent the sides opposite to the corresponding uppercase corners. Step 2. There is a given isosceles trapezoid. It is enough to fold its two bases and add to them twice the size of the side. That is, the perimeter in this case is calculated by the formula, P is equal to A plus C plus 2B, where B is the side of the trapezoid, and C are the base. Step 3. The calculations will be somewhat longer if one of the sides needs to be calculated. For example, a long base, adjacent corners and height are known. You need to calculate the short base and side. To do this, draw a trapezoid ABCD. From the upper corner B, draw the height B. You will have an ABE triangle. You know angle A, so you know its sine. In the data of the problem, the height B is also indicated, which is at the same time the leg of a right-angled triangle, opposite to the angle you know. To find the hypotenuse AB, which is at the same time the side of the trapezoid, it is enough to divide B by Cna. Similarly, find the length of the second side. To do this, you need to draw the height from another upper corner, that is, CF. Now you know a bigger foundation and sides. To calculate the perimeter, this is not enough, you need even the size of a smaller base. Accordingly, in the two triangles formed inside the trapezoid, it is necessary to find the sizes of the segments AE and DF. This can be done, for example, through the cosines of the angles A and D you know. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent leg to the hypotenuse. To find the leg, you need to multiply the hypotenuse by the cosine. Next, calculate the perimeter using the same formula as in the first step, that is, adding all the sides. Step 4. Another option: given two bases, height and one of the sides, you need to find the second side. This is also best done using trigonometric functions. To do this, draw a trapezoid. Let's say you know the bases AD and BC, as well as the AB side and the BF height. From this data, you can find the angle A, through the sine, that is, the ratio of the height to the known side, the segment AF, through the cosine or tangent, since you already know the angle. Remember also the properties of the angles of a trapezoid: the sum of the angles adjacent to one side is 180 degrees. Swipe the CF height. You have got another right-angled triangle, in which you need to find the hypotenuse CD and leg DF. Start at the leg. Subtract the length of the upper base from the length of the lower base, and from the result obtained, the length of the segment AF you already know. Now in the right-angled triangle CFD you know two legs, that is, you can find the tangent of the angle D, and from it the angle itself. After that, it remains to calculate the CD side through the sine of the same angle, as already described above. Thanks for watching.